This is a Advanced Energy MDX 1000 watt magnetron DC power supply. So it's connected to a dummy load of 1000 ohms, and now let's power up the unit. This system has three regulation modes: the current regulation mode, power regulation mode, and voltage regulation mode. The maximum power output, as I just said, is 1000 watts. So let us start with the power regulation mode by pressing the power regulation switch. So let's power on the output through this output on off switch. Now here we have the two displays. This one shows the output of the regulation mode, and this through this display we can see the actual power output, actual current output, and actual voltage output. Now let me increase the value of the output power by turning this level knob gently. As we can see, the power is increasing. Now on the right hand side display, I can change what we are viewing. I can change it to the voltage viewer mode. I can change it to the current viewing mode. So we see as we increment the power, the voltage and the current increases. So here we see we have reached the maximum limit of the output voltage, that is 1000 volt, which is giving an output current of 0.96 amperes and an output power of 967 watts. Now this knob is for adjusting the ramp of the output. So in this machine, like, there are two switches at the back through which we can adjust the ramp time. The ramp time can be set up for using the rear switch for 1 to 10 seconds or 1 minute to 10 minutes. So this is for adjusting how fast or how slow the output will increase or decrease. turn off the output and power off the unit.